Hi, Liz Beavers with Graphic Solutions Group, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about the difference between paper-sided bobbins and magnetic bobbins. So with these two different types of bobbins, one is paper-sided, the other is magnetic. I always get asked, why? What's the difference? Which one is better? Well, what I have here is from Amon, which is Isocord, and the paper-sided bobbin has paper on each side, and per box you get 144. These are great bobbins. They're very smooth, great running, and you get a little over an hour's worth of production out of a bobbin of this size. The paper-sided bobbin, the one thing you have to watch for is when it's halfway done or halfway gone, it's going to bounce a little bit more in your bobbin case, and you're going to have to take the bobbin case and tighten it a little bit to put more tension on this thread. And so that can kind of slow down production a little bit. The magnetic bobbin has a core that's magnetic here, and this keeps the perfect tension even when the bobbin is halfway used. And normally with paper-sided might have a little bounce. The magnet keeps the perfect tension on this bobbin, so there should be no adjustments. Anytime you run out and you're ready to replace a bobbin and put in a new one, it's good to clean the bobbin case just to make sure the tension stays accurate. They're both great bobbins. I use both of these, but during the trade shows, I tend to lean more towards the magnetic. Now, there is another brand of magnetic bobbins that are out there that is also good. However, in our box, you get 144 and 10 extra yards per bobbin, opposed to the other brand. So with that, that means you get 44 more bobbins per box. So that's the difference between the two. It's really a personal preference. I tend to lean more towards the magnetic. So for more tips and tricks, give us a call here at Graphic Solutions Group. Ask for me, Liz Beavers, and I'll be happy to help you.